Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're opening the Mini Brands Create, also known as the MasterChef. Let's see which meal is inside. Alright, let's see which one we got. Hopefully it's a new one. I see a chef helmet, so it's one with UV. There's at least two, I think, that don't have UV. Ooh, we got cherries. So this might be that cake, maybe? And yes, I think it is the one that's on the box here. I'm glad that it comes with a UV hat because that other one didn't, and you just let it air dry, and I kind of don't like that. So let's see. Yep, it is the cherry chocolate cake. Very cool. We have the cherries, the chocolate ganache, or no, it's chocolate sauce. These are cute. They're little sprinkles in the shape of stars, like that. The whipped cream, I might try to use the, well, now I'm confused because the other whipped cream, oh, I bet it's just like that, where it's spongy. And this is the resin. Huh. Well, hopefully it dries better than that last cake. We just have some plates. I'm not quite sure why they include this since the cake doesn't fit on it, but it does include this really cute decorative plate. I do like that one. And then a little stand that you can put together to elevate it. So lots of little things in here. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is take out the chocolate cake base. This is what they look like. Just threw that one down. We only need one for right now. But then we're going to take the whipped cream. I'm going to use one I previously used. That way I could try to keep that sealed. We'll see if I have enough to do that. And then I'm going to put some on here. Ooh, I definitely don't think I'll have enough to do that. And this stuff smells like glue. It kind of reminds me of craft glue. So I think it will potentially dry, but I think it's going to have like a spongy kind of feel to it still. It says to let it dry for 20 minutes, but from experience, I think it's going to take a lot longer to dry. Here's what I used last time. Yeah, see it's, ooh, is it dry? No, it's still sticky. It's kind of dry, but like also wet at the same time, if that makes sense. So we're just going to use that to smooth this around pretty evenly, and then we're going to place all of the cherry halves on here going one direction like they showed in the instructions. I think that looks pretty good. Now let's take all these halves. They have them all going one way, so this is going to take a while. They have them all going like that. Kind of like little Pac-Mans with the mouth open on the side. So this is going to take a while. I'll come back when I'm finished so you don't have to watch me do this because it'll probably take like forever. Okay, that used every single cherry half. I think that looks pretty good. Fits in there perfectly. You got to squeeze them in there pretty close. And I don't know that I can get any more out of here. No, I can. Maybe a little bit. I need just enough to put the little lid on so it doesn't have to look cute because you're going to smash it. Okay, switch to another nozzle. Dollop, followed by top of the cake. Gently press. Next we're going to add, whoa. That's one thing I noticed I don't like about these. The lids don't really screw on the best, like Miniverse does. Like if you over tighten them, they just become loose again. So that just happened. Maybe we should just abandon that and not use it at all. And then I could use my toothpick. I'll need probably a lot more because we're going to cover the top completely, and it even shows some running down the side, so that's okay to do as well. Okay, I'm going to sprinkle the stars on, and they just give you a small amount. They don't give you a whole container like Miniverse does. I think I have like 5 left. 2 more. And that's literally it. So now it says to cure it, and then we'll come back and do the whipped cream. Okay, now we're going to make, how many did I count? 7 dollops on here. So I'm gonna do 1, 2, looks like we're gonna have an extra cherry. Is that right? No. You squeeze an extra one in there, right? 6, 7, so 5, yep, 2 more. So maybe a little uneven, totally. Guess I can make some of these bigger maybe. Honestly, I could put an extra one in there, who's gonna know? We do have an extra cherry. Dang. And I don't think this will be easy to, I'll leave it alone, I guess. I don't think you can wipe it off, and I think it'll smear because it's almost like glue. And then you place a cherry in the middle of each of these, and then leave it alone to dry for 20 minutes, but actually way longer than that. So put it somewhere where you're not going to touch it. I might actually put an extra one in there. Try to see how I kind of like mished it that way. Let's see if I can do a tiny one like that. That way there's no extra cherries. It's fine. That looks good. Let's go ahead and set it aside. Okay, here it is after the 20 minutes. It does look more dry, and it has like a spongy, bouncy effect to it, but I'm pretty sure it's not done drying. I'm pretty confident if I went like this, it would ruin it. But overall, cool build. I like the idea of it kind of being fluffy like that and realistic. It's pretty cool. So leave me a comment, let me know what you thought of this build, and subscribe to my channel to see more.